This is Gary. He works your classic 9 to 5 and earns a steady income. However, he's got a wife and kids and wants to spend more time with them. He also wants to provide a better life for them, like going on nice holidays, having a nice house, and having the freedom to spend quality time together. So he decides to start a side hustle. But the problem now is, what side hustle will eventually earn enough to provide all these things and even become his main source of income so he can quit his job? Most side hustles require a huge amount of time and investing, which just gives him less time to spend with his family. What Gary needs is a proven side hustle that he can build in just a few hours each week so he can keep his life in balance until he can quit his job. Oh, and this can't be something risky like trading, otherwise he risks losing everything. No, this has to be secure and steady. Well, good news for Gary, because I'm about to reveal the side hustle that would change his life forever, and it's staring right in front of you. YouTube. Now, you might want to click off this video because likelihood is you've heard this before, but here's something you haven't heard before. Did you know you can make over $600,000 per year on YouTube? Here's Joshua Mayo. He's been very open and showed the exact figures he's earned on YouTube over the past year. With sponsorships and ad revenue, he's made this huge sum of money. But the crazy thing was, this was his first full year on YouTube. Still unsure? Well, here's another two examples. Ali Abdul made just under $400,000 in 2021. And here's Nisha. She's only just blown up on YouTube in the last few months, but in her first month being monetized, she made $4,000. So yes, YouTube is a fantastic, proven side hustle. But you might be thinking, I don't want to show my face on YouTube. Well then don't. You can make faceless videos similar to the one you're watching right now. What if you don't know anything about making videos? Well, neither did I. In fact, I still don't. I spent very little time on this video. I didn't even make the animation you're watching. That's done by someone I hired on Fiverr. You can also hire people to create the script, record the voiceover, and create thumbnails and titles. You can run an entire YouTube channel without ever knowing how to make these videos. But surely YouTube is too saturated to actually succeed on this platform. Well, yes, there are tons of channels on YouTube, but the demand is extremely high too. YouTube has over 2 billion monthly active users per month. The main thing that holds people back from succeeding on YouTube is not taking the jump and actually starting your own channel. So if you want to find out exactly how to start a YouTube channel that can earn you $10,000 per month, watch this video on the screen. If you found value in this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.